Hello students, this is Sudeep Yadav from Spectrum Chemistry, and students, if you are first time visiting to my channel, so please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a best explanation of NCERT book class 7th subject science. And students, if you are watching this video, so please go to my playlist and watch the previous 4 parts of this chapter to create a better understanding of this chapter. And students, in this video we are going to discuss about the exercise of the chapter number 7, that is weather, climates and adaptation of animal to climate. So let's start students. Let's see what is the first question. So the first question is, name the elements that determine the weather of a place. So the answer is the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. are called the elements that determine the weather of a place. Okay students, now come to the second question. When are the maximum and minimum temperature likely to occur during the day? So the answer will be the maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon and the minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. Okay students, now come to the third question, that is the fill in the blanks. So let's see students, what is the first fill in the blank question, that is the average weather taken over a long time is called, that is climate of a place. A place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of the place will be hot and dry. So this is the fill in the blanks. Okay, now next, the two regions of the earth with extreme climatic condition, that is polar and the tropical regions. So this was the answer. Okay, now next, come to the next question, that is the question number 4. Indicate the type of the climate of the following areas. So the questions are Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Rajasthan, Northeast India. So let's see students, what are the answers for these questions, that is the Jammu and Kashmir, moderately hot and moderately wet climatic condition. Now next, question number B, Kerala, very hot and wet climate. Question number C, that is the Rajasthan, hot and dry climate. And for about the D, Northeast India, the northeastern India receives rain for a major part of the year, hence wet climate. So here we have discussed about all the 4 statements, all the 4 states, and what will be the climate of these particular states. Okay students, now come to the 5th question. Which of the 2 changes frequently weather or a climate? So the weather will change frequently. Okay, so this is the answer. Now come to the next question, that is question number 6. So let's see first what is the question. Following are some of the characteristics of the animals. Okay, that is number first, diets, heavy on fruits. Second, white fur. Third, need to migrate. Fourth is the loud voice. Fifth is the sticky pads on feet. Sixth one is a layer of fat under the skin. Seventh, wide and large paws. Eighth, bright colors. Ninth, strong tails. And 10th one is a long and large beak. For each characteristic, indicate whether it is adaptation for tropical rainforest or tropical regions. Do you think that some of these characteristics can be adapted for the both regions? So let's see students, what will be the answers. Okay, number first, characteristics of the animals and adaptation for diets. Diets heavy on fruits. So what will the place where will be diet heavy on the fruits? That is the tropical rainforest. Now second one, white fur. It will be adaptation for the polar region. Okay, need to migrate. It will also for the polar regions. Loud voice, it will be suitable for the tropical rainforest. Sticky pads on feet, it will be for tropical rainforest. Next, layer of the fat under the skin, it will be useful for the polar regions. Wide and large paws, it will be suitable for the polar regions. Bright colors, it will be suitable for the tropical rainforest. Strong tail, it will be used for the tropical rainforest. And long and large beak, it will be also suitable for the tropical rainforest. So students, we have seen here the specific characteristics of the animals and where these specific characteristics will be adapted and will be suitable for that which climatic condition. Okay, now come to the next question. That is the question number 7. The tropical rainforests has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. So this is very important questions. Let's see students what will the answer. Because of continuous warmth and rain, the tropical regions supports an enormous number and a wide variety of animals. So this is the answer. Now next, question number 8. Explain with examples why we find animals of certain kind living in particular climatic conditions. So this is also is a very important question. Let's see students. Animals are adapted to surviving in the conditions in which they live. Features and habits which help them to adapt to their surroundings are the result of evolution. So to survive in a particular type of a climate, the animals must have certain adapted features. This is the reason we find animals of the certain kind living in a particular climatic conditions. For example, animals in the polar regions are adapted to the extremely cold climate. Second, they have special characteristics such as white fur, strong sense of smell, a large of fat under the skin, wide and large paws for swimming and walking in snow, etc. So this was the answer. Now come to the next question, that is the question number 9. How do elephants living in the tropical rainforests adapt themselves? The elephant has adapted to the conditions of the rainforest in many remarkable ways. It has a trunk that it uses as a nose. Because of this, it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Its tusks are modified teeth. These can tear the bark of the trees that an elephant loves to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food very well. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. They also help the elephant to keep cool in the hot, humid climate of the rainforest. So these all are the adaptive features of the elephant. So this is very important. Okay, now come to the 10th question. That is the multiple choice questions, I think. Okay, choose the correct option which answers the following question. A carnivore. Carnivore means meat eating animals. Carnivore with strips on its body moves very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in polar region, desert region, ocean, tropical rainforest. So it will be tropical rainforest. Okay. Now next question. Question number 11th. Which features adapt polar bears to live in extremely cold climate? So the options, let's see students, what are the options? A white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. Second one, thin skin, large eyes, a white fur. Third one, a long tail, strong claws, white large paws. And the fourth one is the white body, paws for the swimming, gills for the respiration. So the answer for this question is the fourth option, a white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of a smell. So this is the answer. Now next question, question number 12. Which option best describes a tropical region? That is the hot and humid, moderate temperature, heavy rainfall, cold and humid, and hot and dry. So the answer is a hot and humid. So here students, we have complete the exercises of the chapter number 7th. So I hope students